In October of 2021, drove from Austin, Texas to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and on the way stopped at Amarillo, Texas to see the Cadillac Ranch. Cadillac Ranch is an art installation, and I'll put a link below to the wiki page for the Cadillac Ranch. It's about 8 hours to Amarillo, Texas from Austin. On the drive you see thousands of wind turbines. Texas ranks 5th in the world for generating wind power. Entrance to the Cadillac Ranch. There is plenty of free parking along the road. Cadillac Ranch is open 24/7 and it is free for public. Cadillac Ranch is located off of historic Route 66, and the water you see around the Cadillacs, that's because of the recent rains. That is not a normal thing. It's okay to spray paint the Cadillacs. You can bring your own spray paint can, or you can buy one from one of the vendors outside the Cadillac Ranch. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like and share this video.